All right, one question, four of you. Who wins the 26 World Cup? Statistician, go.
Brazil. Highest ELO in the field, 2.3 God right in the peak age window, around 26% outright.
That's my favorite. I disagree. France. Their system compresses without losing the counter threat, and Brazil late them.
Brazil's been hauling psychological debt into every tournament for 24 years.
The Statistician's Brazil case is goals against T98. Only one pre-tournament favorite has actually won it. So who wins? Ask me after the group stage. Brazil. All right, one question, four of you. Who wins the 2026 World Cup?
France. Best ELO rating, highest XG differential. In a 48-team bracket, that consistency compounds. They're my pick.
I'm stopping you right there. ELO doesn't win knockout rounds, adaptability does.
That's Argentina's tournament to lose. And Argentina already knows what winning feels like. Every other contender is still figuring it out.
2 tournaments is not a sample size, and they know how winning feels. Sweden is leading their group, and nobody here has said their name once. He has a point. I always have a point.
So, what do you think? Brazil or France? Maybe you've got a dark horse nobody on that panel even mentioned. Either way, the prediction panel is fun, but what I actually want to show you is how it happened. Because I didn't write a single line of that debate. One AI coordinator ran the whole thing. Here's exactly how that works. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is happening right now. Everyone has a take. Your group chat has a take. Your co-worker who doesn't even watch football has a take. So I thought, why not build a proper prediction panel? Not one AI giving one answer, but 4 specialists, each with a completely different lens, pushed into the same room and forced to disagree. A sports statistician, a tactical analyst, a World Cup insider, and a grumpy contrarian whose entire job is to tear the other 3 apart. The question? Who wins the 2026 World Cup? On Charm IQ, each of these is a charm, a specialized AI agent built for a specific role. And the thing that coordinates all of them, that's the Charm Orchestrator, our new feature. Let me show you.
Fresh workspace. I described the panel I want. 4 specialists, 4 different lenses. Next, I call in my charm building specialist. 10 seconds, 15 maybe, all 4 panelists are drafted, described and dropped straight into my charm panel, ready to go. No configuration screens, no setup wizard, they just show up. Okay, clear everything so we have a clean workspace. Add a proper title, then drop in the prompt. Each agent gets their assignment and one shared question. Who wins and why? Normally, I'd have to call each of these agents myself one by one in the right order, but that's not what happens today. I import the Charm Orchestrator. We just published him. You can import him right now. His job is to read that prompt, figure out who needs to be called, and run the whole operation.
I tag him, then I just wait. You can see him working through it in real time. First, he checks that all 4 charms are present, confirmed. Then he spins up a brand new workspace, names it 2026 World Cup Prediction Panel, and starts routing each agent in sequence. You can pull up that second tab and watch it happen live. The statistician comes in cold and precise. Brazil, 22 to 26% probability, built entirely on numbers. The tactical analyst lands on France, and it's the one argument you can actually stress test on a chalkboard. The insider picks France too, but from a different direction, less data, more scar tissue. Then the Grumpy Contrarian gets the floor and makes everyone a little uncomfortable. That's his job. 4 distinct voices, 4 different frameworks, 1 coherent debate, all of it triggered by a single call to the orchestrator. When the panel wraps, the orchestrator pulls everything into a clean summary table, who picked what and the core argument behind each pick. The whole thing from prompt to finished panel in under 2 minutes. That's the Charm Orchestrator. You describe the task, name the specialists, and he handles everything else. Workspace creation, agent sequencing, output collection, the coordination overhead just disappears. You stay in the role of the person asking the hard questions. The orchestrator handles the plumbing, so your attention goes to the thinking, reviewing the outputs, pushing back, making the call. The World Cup panel is a fun one, but the same workflow applies anywhere you need multiple perspectives converging on one problem. Strategy sessions, research briefs, competitive analysis. Anytime coordinating a team would normally slow you down. Go build your panel at Charm IQ. Until next time, happy charming.